What's up guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some chocolate chip banana bread, one of my favorite recipes because you guys know I absolutely love bananas and chocolate. Two of my favorite things combined. It does not get better than that. So with these simple ingredients, we're going to get baking. First things first, let's preheat the oven to 350. Now I'm going to use some parchment paper. Okay, this blend jet is amazing, especially for mashing bananas. Watch this. So convenient. All you have to do is when it's done, put some water and soap, and you're good to go. So I'm going to add all my wet ingredients. This is a trick I learned. If you can't open up something, you take a knife, just stab on it all around. Ooh, voila. Last but not least, for the wets, we're gonna crack the egg. I'm really good cracker. Ooh. Time for some flour, oatmeal, baking soda, baking powder, all that good. We're doing 1 cup of oats. I love oatmeal, love anything oats. Then we're gonna do 1.5 cups of flour. So that's the flour. Baking soda, I got baking soda. Whip it, whip it. Baking powder. Oh no, watch me double up. Ready for this? You ain't ready. Ta-da. When it comes to salt, I like to do it by taste, so I'm not even going by the recipe. I'm just gonna put 2 little dabs, and up to you with however much you want to use. The chocolate chips. I'm a chocolate monster. I'm going to wait to pour my chips in at the very end, but this entire bag of chips is going in because I love my chocolate. It feels so cool when I use this little badass bitch. For banana bread, it's really important to not overmix. I'm not the cleanest chef, but I am a good chef. Ta-da! Fun fact, I have not went 1 day without chocolate in 2 years. Dark chocolate. All these in. Honestly, I should put even more. Now I'm just mixing it together. Wow, this smells bomb.com. Yum. Oh wait, 3 more chocolate chips, we can't forget. 1, 2, 3. This is my little sous chef. Are you gonna clean up for me? Yes, Mom. Now I'm putting this in the oven for 60 minutes, depending on what flour you use, etc. It could vary from the time, but always check up on it. While that's baking, I'm going to hop on my computer, do some emails. I have a phone call in about 20 minutes, and yeah, my little morning situation before I have to run off to meetings. I woke up at 6 a.m., I worked out. Not a morning person, but lately I've been going to bed earlier, so it's enabling me to wake up early and be a morning person. I was never a morning person. I would be up till 3 a.m., which would mess up my schedule because if you go to bed at 3 a.m., you kind of need at least 6 hours of sleep to function right, or at least I do. If I don't sleep 6 hours, zombie gen. Like, you don't want to be near me. So, going to bed earlier now by not turning on my phone, like shutting the phone off at least 2 hours before bed, reading a book, just zenning out, really helps you fall asleep. It smells so good. Wow. Voila. So now we keep it out for about 15 to 20 minutes to cool off. Parchment paper is really easy to bake with. Comes right off. This is a heavy one. My extra chocolatey banana bread. It's probably dangerous. Wow. So this right here is my chocolate chip oat banana bread. It's so delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe and make sure to tag me if you do. I just like eat this entire thing for lunch.